called your name, a silent pull you can't explain. Your beating heart inside my hand, a fragile thread I always planned. You tried to run, you tried to fight, but every road returns tonight. Your will dissolves into my voice. Obedience was never choice. Kneel in the quiet of my command. Every soul bends where I stand. Bow to me, don't look away. Your fate was sealed the day we met. In crimson skies and whisper chains, you belong to my silhouette. Fall for me, lose control. Every dream you thought you knew. In this world of teeth and lies, all roads lead back to you. I smile soft but pull the strings. Empires break with little things. A gentle hand upon your head. 1,000 devils left for dead. You chase the warmth inside my eyes, but paradise is my disguise. A velvet cage you can't escape. A perfect world I shape and shake. Hear the echo of your command. You were mine before we began. Bow to me, don't look away. Your fate was sealed the day we met. In crimson skies and whisper chains, you belong to my silhouette. Fall for me, lose control. Every dream you thought you knew. In this world of teeth and lies, all roads lead back to you. Love and fear are just the same. Two soft flames in one dark flame. Say my name and understand your life is written in my Bow to me, the world will bend. Every story meets its end. Through the blood and through the night, I decide what's wrong or right. Fall for me, lose your soul. Every heart becomes my throne. In the quiet after screams, you will know you were never control devil. You hear my voice inside your head, soft as a prayer, sharp as dread. One little word and you obey. Your freedom slowly fades away. A quiet smile, a crimson chain. I turn your hope into my rain. You thought your will was yours to keep, but I decide the dreams you sleep. Every step you take is mine. Every fate is by design. yet somehow you still feel alone. Your fear, your hope, your fragile trust all crumble down to ash and dust. A perfect world beneath my head, except for I'll always play. Hear the whisper in your mind. You were never meant to fight. I am the control devil. I am the control devil. Bow your head, don't fight the pull. Every heart becomes a puzzle.